I do fully believe that we should be romanticizing all the little moments in our lives. Like this week, for example, I had so much admin work to get ready for school. My students have finished their courses or are busy finishing their courses. There are so many speaking tests and writing tests going on. And of course, once they finish that, it's time for their report cards. So I've been very busy the last week, but not with cozy holiday season things. So I had to be able to sit back, romanticize these moments, make them feel special, make myself feel present so that I can enjoy even the little things. So putting on some cozy pumpkin spice music and filling in report cards ended up being so cozy. The evenings have been really chilly, so I've tried to make sure I take a nice hot shower, dress in my cozy pajamas, and remember to give myself some love and some self-care. So I didn't mean to give you too much of a jump scare with this face. But the evenings have been the perfect time to put on a face mask, play a cozy Christmas movie in the background, and catch up on my journaling. December is the time for baked goods. This is the season where we need comfort food and home-cooked meals. So for breakfast, I am making scones. I'm just going to be using the air fryer. I don't have an oven, but these are perfect for the air fryer. I love baking this time of year. Next week on my list of things to do is baking Christmas cookies, and I think I want to do some sugar cookies and some cinnamon roll cookies, which I've never done before, and maybe even some gingerbread. We'll see.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
This is going to be my last video before Christmas Day. I will have another one coming up just before New Year's next week. So if you'd like to see that video, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and let me know what things you are baking this holiday season. I hope that you have an incredible Christmas Day with family and friends, and I will see you next time. As always, I hope that you have a very crafty day.